How to change language on Threads. If you want to change the language of your Threads account, then here's how you can do it. Open your Threads application on your preferred mobile device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the two lines at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, tap on language. Here, you'll be able to see all of the app's language available. Select the language of your choice you would want to change to on your app. Once you are done, you'll be able to change the language on your Threads application. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do by clicking the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.